During this Adobe Photoshop tutorial, you will learn about filters. So make sure you have your Photoshop overview image open. We're going to use this image and begin to add some filters so that you can see the different kinds of effects that you can create on a picture. So we've got our picture here. Make sure you also have your history panel open because you are going to need it to go back to the original every time we actually create an effect. So make sure you have your history panel open. Remember, once again, to open your panel, you simply go to Window and then look for History and make sure that that's checked. If it's not, just simply click it there and it will pop it open for you. So have that visible. Alright, so all we're going to do is simply use the image that we have and then go up to the very top option where it says Filter, located up at the very top here, and we're going to start with Artistic. And you can see we have a lot of different options here, like colored pencil, the cutout, dry brush, fresco, neon glow, etc. So lots of different options here. Let's just go ahead and start with the first one. Click on colored pencil. This pulls up a menu where you'll be able to determine how you want the image to look. So you can see that the colored pencil gave me this effect. Notice here on the right hand side that you have some additional options. For example, changing the pencil width. So you can increase or decrease that and it will affect the image. You can also change the stroke pressure as well as the paper brightness, so how bright or not the paper in the background actually is. And as you make those changes, it will actually adjust your image. You'll notice too that you have a drop-down menu where you can select a lot of other options. Okay, so you don't actually have to go back out in case you didn't like this one. You don't have to exit and then go back to Filter and select a different option. Instead, you can easily come here and select something completely different. See, here you can see I changed it to accented edges and you got this kind of an effect, which is actually pretty cool looking. So play around with the image and play around with the different filters to see what kinds of effects you can come out with. And once you're done and you like the effect that you've selected, all you have to do is click on OK up here at the top and it will apply those effects to your image, which you can see it did here. And that is filters inside of Photoshop.